Are you ready to revolutionize the way you do your laundry? Well, we have something designed to make your laundry days a breeze. Introducing LG 11 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-loading washing machine. What sets this washing machine apart is the roller jet pulsator. This feature rotates your clothes efficiently, ensuring the best washing experience. The rollers create added friction on your clothes, effectively removing the dust and mites. It's worth noting that the washing machine has an impressive capacity of 11 kg, making it perfect for large families with a lot of laundry to do. And with a 5-star efficiency rating, this washing machine is not only powerful but also highly economical, helping you save on energy and water bills. This washing machine also has a special feature called the Punch Plus 3, which uses 3 powerful streams of water that move your laundry up and down in the drum, making sure that those tough stains are gone for good. The Wind Jet Dry Part feature helps you remove moisture from your clothes, leaving them dry and fresh. No more bad odors lingering on your clothes. Plus, the unique collar scrubber is a nice addition when it comes to cleaning cuffs and collars. This washing machine also offers a unique soak process that can help loosen tough dirt particles from your clothes. This feature allows your clothes to soak in a concentrated detergent solution, giving you more time and thorough cleaning experience. The LG semi-automatic top-loaded washing machine also comes with additional features that make your laundry routine a little more convenient. First, there's the auto restart feature. This allows the program to automatically restart in case of a power failure, resuming from where it stopped. Although the wash cycle time may vary, you can easily reset knowing that your laundry will be done. The LG Magic Filter is another great feature that collects the lint and threads inside the machine, giving you a lint-free wash. Lastly, the LG Smart Diagnosis feature allows for instant troubleshooting. If any issues arise, you can easily diagnose them through the LG Smart ThinQ app on your smartphone. It's simple, fast and convenient. The washing machine comes with a 2-year comprehensive warranty and a 5-year warranty on the motor. With its innovative features like Punch Plus 3, Wind Jet Dry and the unique soak process, and if the grey or red color options don't suit your taste, the LG 11 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-loading washing machine is also available in 9 kg, 10 kg and 8.5 kg options. You can easily buy it on Amazon with the convenience of scheduled delivery, no-cost EMI options, an exchange program for your old washing machine along with option of open box delivery in select PIN codes.